and poultry, at least you'll be getting 20 million per year. If you add a dairy, you will be getting something more. And that will bring us out of poverty. I want to condemn those who are planning to eat this money, because that is how people think that these days. They think any support from government is for finishing today, is not for investment. I want to appeal that the more we produce, the more we can attract factories. And the more we can create employment, we can create income-generating activities, and that can get us out of poverty. As of now, we are among the least developed. We can even see it from what we have raised here. When we go other places, people raise 100 million and above. And I'm saying, Northern Uganda, Mafuae, what is it? How can we contribute much more? But I know, even the little you have, put together, we can change this environment. I also want to say, because Honorable Tony already mentioned it, that government has committed to come back with NUSA 4. And this NUSA 4 is going to go to households. It's going to be complementary to parish development model. Because even when schools are built, churches are built, health centers are built, the President has told us clearly that those are not places where there is poverty. Poverty is in your house. How will you reach the church? How will you send your child to school? How will you reach that health unit? Is the challenge we have. It's not the roads, it's not the schools, it's not the health facilities. It is you in your house. Like we are seated now here. If you didn't leave any food at home, you are going back, still there will be no food. If you didn't pay your child school fees this term, you are going back, still there will be no school fees. So the challenge is poverty in your house, not in the road. My next point, not a very big point, because Archbishop already talked about it. I reached here when you are preaching and you are talking about homosexuality. The President